here, a commissioner on the North Carolina Utilities Commission. With me this morning is Commissioner Karen Camerite. I now call for hearing docket number G 41 sub 62 in the matter of application of Toccoa Natural Gas for annual review of gas costs pursuant to North Carolina General Statute 62-133.4 subsection C and Commission Rule R1-17 subsection K6. Before we proceed further, and as is required by the State Government Ethics Act, I remind members of the Commission of our duty to avoid conflicts of interest, and I inquire at this time as to whether any commissioner has any known conflict of interest with respect to this docket. Let the record reflect that no such conflicts were identified. North Carolina General Statute 62-133.4 authorizes gas cost adjustment proceedings for natural gas local distribution companies. North Carolina General Statute 62-133.4C provides that the Utilities Commission shall conduct annual review proceedings to compare each natural gas utility's prudently incurred costs with costs recovered from all of the utilities customers served during the test period. Commission Rule R1-17 subsection K6 prescribes the procedures for such annual reviews of natural gas costs. On August 30th, 2024, Toccoa filed the direct testimony and exhibits of witnesses Raya Tripp and Harry Scott. On September 20th, 2024, Toccoa filed the confidential corrected Schedule 10 to witnesses Tripp's testimony. On September 27th, 2024, the Commission issued an order scheduling hearing requiring filing of testimony, establishing discovery guidelines, and requiring public notice, commonly referred to as a scheduling order. The scheduling order scheduled a hearing to occur at this time and date for the purpose of receiving public and expert witness testimony on the annual review of Toccoa's gas costs. The public staff, which represents the using consuming public, has been made a party to this proceeding in accordance with North Carolina General Statute 62-15 subsection D. On October 14, 2024, Toccoa filed an affidavit of publication evidencing the newspaper publication of the public notice of today's hearing as required by the Commission. On October 22nd, 2024, the public staff filed the testimony of witnesses David L. Lintz and Andrew R. S. Pugliese. I'll spell that Puglisi. No other parties intervened in this docket. On October 23rd, 2024, Toccoa and the public staff filed a joint motion to excuse the appearance of witnesses, waive cross-examination, and accept testimony. On November 1st, 2024, the Commission issued an order excusing expert witnesses, accepting testimony, canceling the expert witness portion of today's hearing, requiring proposed orders, and requiring responses to Commission questions. That brings us to today. I now call upon counsel for the parties to introduce themselves for the purpose of the record, beginning with the applicant.
Thank you. Corden Smart from the law firm of Fox Rothschild here on behalf of Toccoa Natural Gas, along with my colleague Grace Stiers.
Thank you.
Good morning, Attorney James Bernier Jr. on behalf of the public staff, but using the consuming public.
Thank you. Are there any preliminary matters that need to be addressed at this time?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Not that I'm aware of.
Thank you. Has the public staff identified any public witnesses who wish to testify in this proceeding?
There are none.
Okay. Are there any members of the public in the hearing room this morning who wish to testify in this proceeding? Let the record reflect at 10:05 a.m. there were no witnesses present in the hearing room who wish to testify. Let the record reflect that no public witnesses came forward. As such, this proceeding is adjourned. Let me thank you all for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.